Dysfunctional vet. This is a fresh dead insect. This is a, can you see him move around? This is a very fresh insect, not dead. This one is dead. I'm using number 3 pins, and what I've done with these pins is I've moved the claws into a position that looks somewhat natural. I've moved the legs into position and I've pinned them so that it'll stay. I pinned the tail. I'm going to put one across the top, I think. What this does is this gives the insect a very natural look. Now this pin right there, if you can see it, that's the one that is just off center through the soft body. And I will be putting the identification tag onto that pin once everything else is moved and this guy has dried up a little bit. Now he is a soft body creature, so he is going to shrink just a little bit. I don't have the freeze dryer going and I can't put him into epoxy. What I will be doing within the hour is covering him with borax, and I'll let him sit like that for about 3 or 4 days so that the borax will soak into the body, and that will preserve him against predation by either microbes or some type of a macro critter that would try to eat him. Dysfunctional vet out.